All right, I think it's going. So, yeah, this is a chart of the junkiest of the junk corporate bonds. So it's the CCC and lower U.S. high yield index option adjusted spread. So it adjusts for options. I forget the exact math, but if you just do a normal spread calc, it's more like 8 something right now, I believe. If I'm wrong, somebody let me know. But so it's a little more leading when you erase the noise of the options, because a lot of the junk bonds are you can call them and do options. So we can see every peak we got a bottom happening. And I color coded the back of a range here, so it's easy money, good credit, warning zone starting to break, and this is elevated where there's panic starting to happen. And around every peak is around every bottom. This is the SPX, this is Bitcoin. Obviously we don't have data for Bitcoin back here, but coming into Bitcoin, I mean, it played out pretty much every cycle. And in the stock market. So I wouldn't expect, and the last little, from the 2021 top and Bitcoin bear market here as well. So I don't think this looks like it's peaked yet. So I'm in the camp that we got lower to go. And if you see my other videos, I kind of have that same thesis, I guess, pushing out. But I'm very bullish. But I think this is going to keep rising. I think they're going to demand more of an interest rate. Here's it from a different angle. It's the same chart without the coloring that I had, and some indicators here. So, yeah, we can see that every time Goldman Sachs, when the risk appetite starts to change, flip from green to blue, at that same time when the wave trend, the green line's coming on top, and on the RCI 3, we got red on top from base, stochastic RSI positive momentum, blue line on top, and we're coming from a low, and easy money. Things are failing once they enter here, like we've seen now, and this period was a stagnation. This was the GFC. This is the 2018 bear market, and so I think we're gonna come a little higher here, and maybe enter a more stress zone. I think we're just starting to enter that, and it looks like we're breaking out, in my opinion. So I think things have lower to go. Buy the dip is over. This is kind of the signal for that in my mind, and I'm no expert, but yeah, be careful with buying a dip. If you buy the dip, in my opinion, it's not financial advice, I would have a plan to, have a plan. But soon bottoms will be happening, but that'll be when we're peaking. And we're not peaking yet, in my opinion. So, all right, get outside in nature, take care of yourselves, love yourself. Help somebody, smile, and treat your body well. Take care.